In this video, I'll show you how to set up Wi-Fi direct with your Brother MFC-L2900DW. Step number one is to actually enable this feature, and Brother has hidden it in sub menus. So let me show you on the display what I mean by this. So usually to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi, you simply have to click on the Wi-Fi icon, and I was surprised to not see any Wi-Fi direct options. This is because it's not over here as it's supposed to be. Go on the home page and then click this settings icon. Then you're going to click on right over here, all settings. Then go down, select network, and then Wi-Fi direct will be one of the options. Don't ask me why they did this. I guess they don't want you to use it. Anyway, tap over here, select manual, wait a few seconds, it will turn this on, and you're going to get the name of the printer and the Wi-Fi direct password that you need to put on your device. I will do everything with my Android smartphone over here, but what I will show you next will also work with an iPhone or even a computer. We need to connect to the Wi-Fi network of the printer. So drag down from the top right corner, go into the Wi-Fi settings of your phone, and we need to connect ourselves to the Wi-Fi network that is listed right over here. So in my case, it should be this one, direct, and then L2900DW. Enter the password that you're seeing on the display. Yours will be different, and if there is capital letters, you should absolutely put capital letters. Then press connect, always connect. Then on your phone, you're going to open any documents that you wish to print. Could also be a picture or even a web page. So over here I have this picture. Actually it's a document, but it's in my photos. And on Android smartphone, you're going to tap on these three dots on the top right corner and select print. On iPhone, down below you should see an icon that is a square with an arrow pointing up. Tap on it and then you should get the print option. Click on print. On top we need to select our printer, so tap over there and then tap on Brother MFC-L2900DW. If you tap on the arrow, you're going to have a few settings, like if you want to print on both sides of the page and other things. And at the end, once you're ready, press the print button. You can open the small flap over here, because this is where the paper will come out. And wait. And here we go, we got our document printed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, comment down below. Subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links to get some toner for this printer, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my links, I get a small commission from Amazon, and it helps my channel.